Kayong dalawa. Hindi nga ako nagtinda.
Which former Hashira was the strongest in Demon Slayer? In the original series, only a few former Hashira from the previous generation were
Hindi
introduced.
ako mapagod. Sino yung ginawa nyo?
These include Master Sakanji Fukunaga, Master Jigoro Kuji, and Shinjiro
Hindi lang yung
Rikuga. But
pambubo
who
ko na
among
langaw.
them is the strongest? If we talk about experience, it's clear that Master Sakanji
Galing kayo, ah.
Fukunaga stands out due to his age. There's an old saying, fear old men in a profession where young men die. Master Sakanji
Hindi
is
lang kami
someone
ng
even
kulang
the
sa baba.
strongest
Balik
Hashira
namin,
today.
ganyan
His
na, oh.
mastery over water breathing is
Ganyan
unparalleled.
talaga itong
He is likely stronger than Master
mga...
Chigoro in this regard.
Ay,
However, the
naka.
title of the strongest former Hashira arguably goes to Shinjiro
Hindi
Rikuga.
makita yung may
Known
sala.
as the strongest Hashira.
Hindi may sala sa inyong
His
dalawa.
strength was so immense that even
Ha?
when drunk, he fought and traumatized the lower ranks.
Wow.
Shinjiro was stronger than most of the current
Grabe,
Hashira,
oh, buong
making him
bahay.
a clear standout among the former
Hindi lang
generals.
kadami
Which
yung
former
kalat.
Hashira was the strongest in Demon Slayer?
Kung husky na ito eh. Asan na? Ito siya. Ito.
In the original series,
Ito.
only a few former Hashira from the previous generation.
Ito yung may sala, oh.
Pili yan! These
Ito yung may
include
sala, oh.
Master
Yan, oh.
Sakanji,
Ito yung may sala. Ayan. Yan na may sala, oh. Ito. Ito. Bumukulit na to.
Sino na lang hindi rin si Ube?
Hindi nyo lang yung nagaganyan. Dati nung wala naman si Luna, hindi naman nagaganyan ng ano. Si Luna yan. Nagawa niya. For sure. Ganun na. Ito ang gawa. Hindi gano'n kadami yung kalat niya. Ang taas pan. Sabi pa kayong dalawa. Kapagalit ng tahimik. Pag okay na naman. Hindi po kadaming kalat nila, oh. Ito yung daspan namin. Kahit ang sabi ko sa'yo, yung ano, ay small door size. Lagyan mo na, di ba sabi ko? Mamaya na! Ikaw, natulog na tayo maghapon eh. Tamad-tamad ka pa. Yan yung may sala, o. Ayan, o. Yan, o. Yan, o. Yan, o. Yan. Yan, o. Yan mo, akala mo bait-bait, o. Yan. Yan yan, o. Yan nyo. Yan pa isa. Cooper. Yan, o. O, yan. 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 Tapos ito yung isa, o. O, diba? Alam mo, bait, o. Cooper, Luna! Alam mo, bait-bait niyan. Pero pag nako, talaga lang. Diba? Pag pinapagalitan, ha? O. Pero pag ano, nagkakalot. Lahat, bumila ka ng tissue, kakalatin.